Hello everyone. Today we are having a video on degree, minute, second, that is sexagesimal calculations on Casio 991 ms calculator. The similar steps can be followed on 100 ms, 115 ms and 570 ms. Now what is sexagesimal? Sexagesimal is a fraction which generally has its denominator as 60 or in the power of 60s. So the first type today we are going to see is, now if we have a problem statement where you need to calculate the addition of 2 degrees, 20 minutes, 30 seconds and plus 39 minutes, 30 seconds. So what you need to do is, we see here 2, then we have this degree, we have this symbol as degree, minutes and seconds. We apply this, then 20, then again this button, then 30, it's done. Now we have this addition, right? Then plus. Now your important point to note is, even if you don't have any degree or minute, you need to enter as 0, like 0 degree. Here you can see we directly have 39 minutes and 30 seconds. We don't have any degree term for this. So what we'll do, 0 degree, 39 minutes, 30 seconds and equal to. So the answer you get is 3 degree, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. You need to remember that for even if you have a missing term for degree and minutes, you need to enter 0, which we had done. Now what if you need to convert this value of degree, minutes and seconds value to its decimal equivalent? So the simple step we follow first is 2 degree, then 15 minutes, 18 seconds equal to, you get this. If you want to convert it into decimal equivalent, you only need to press this button of degree, minute and seconds. So this value you get is 2.255. Now what if you need to convert this decimal value again to its sexagesimal value? You need to just press the shift button and the degree minute sign. You again get 2 degree, 15 minutes and 18 seconds. Thank you guys. I hope you liked this video.